sorry, yeah, okay. So am I audible? Okay, so once again we'll start. So welcome to the GATE Academy. So in this session, we are going to discuss a very important notification that has been released by IGCAR. Okay. So what is this? That also we will discuss. It is one of the PSU that has released the notification, and it has around 337 total vacancies. It covers a wide range or the categories, we can say a lot of categories it covers, like diploma, like engineers, like PhD scholars, MTech, lot of vacancies they are having for this kind of students. Okay, so that all will not discuss, we will only discuss that is important for our BTech or BE or diploma students, है ना? So let us start now. So IGCAR is nothing but the Indira Gandhi Corporation of Atomic Research. Okay, so it belongs to Department of Atomic Energy. In my previous video, I already discussed about this. When impact of PSU jobs, I was discussing impact of privatization on PSU jobs. So there I discussed that there are some PSUs which cannot be privatized, There were some departments which cannot be privatized, and this is one of them, the atomic energy. This department cannot be privatized. Okay, so those who are working in these PSUs are safe, their job is safe, they do not have to worry about the privatization impact. Okay, so this is the one of the benefit of getting here. So let us discuss about the notifications. Okay. Okay, so as I said, this is the Department of Atomic Energy, it belongs to that, and Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research. Okay, so here the notification has been released for the several posts. You can say you can see the name of the post. Okay, but we are not concerned about the all these kind of posts. But if still you know some of your relatives or some of your known person who are requiring any job related to this kind of post, you can inform them, है ना? So in this one, we will be only focusing on this one, that is technical officer. Okay, here we will discuss this post, and here these three are not belonging to us because this requires the special kind of research like PhD, if you have done PhD or something like that. Okay, so good afternoon, Shitij. Very good if you have applied. And for mechanical, I think there is a lot of vacancies for mechanical. So you guys are having extra advantage of this. Which branch student can apply? You just look at the session, you will get to know that which branches are allowed. I think all the branches are allowed. Okay, no need to worry. So in this starting 3-1, we will not be focusing because they will be requiring for PhD. So if you have done PhD, if you have any experience in the particular project, they have also mentioned the project that you should have worked in this particular research, then only we will be able to recruit you. So here in this 3-1, we will not be focusing, okay, because this is requiring PhD and special kind of research. We will be only focusing on the technical officer, where you will be, you can be recruited through your BE or BTech and written test and interviews. Okay, so one is this, that is for the technical officer, and the another one is this, that is stipendiary trainee. Means here what will happen now, for 2 years you will be recruited as a means you will be given a stipend, and you will be trained for 6 months. You will be studying some course, and remaining 18 months you will be trained for that particular job, and from the 3rd year you will be absorbed for a permanent job. Okay, so here this is called the stipendiary trainee. So in initial 2 years the stipend will be low, but after that from the 3rd year it will be very good. Okay, so you can grab this opportunity, but this is especially for diploma students. Okay, so those who have completed their diploma, they can grab these opportunities. This is very important opportunity. Okay, so as I said, this kind of post, the first one is scientific officer E group A post. Here the vacancy is only one, and they are especially requiring PhD in metallurgical engineering and material engineering. Okay, so if those who have done PhD or something belonging to this or fitting suitable here, they can apply here. okay, but the vacancy is only one, so the competition will be very high, but still you can apply because application fee is very low, okay. So here this one is a third one that will not be concerning. We are concerned about this one, that is the technical officer C group, okay. This one is comes in bark. No. Atomic energy, they have a different department. So this is belonging to Department of Atomic Energy. Okay. So this does not comes under bark. Okay. So name of the post is technical officer. Here the vacancies you can focus is total vacancies are 41 guys. Okay. Out of which for general 21 and remaining are distributed as usual. Okay. So here you can see the only first part, this postcode atmospheric science and meteorology, they are requiring MSc or MTech in atmospheric science or meteorology. This is the only case. Okay. For remaining one, and the number of vacancies is only one. Okay. For the remaining one, if you see here, they are requiring bachelors of engineering, that is BE or BTech, with the minimum of 60% marks in the respective discipline from the recognized university. Okay. So here if you see the disciplines, which disciplines they are allowing. So I think one of you asked that which of the branches are allowed, right? I think Sushma asked about this. So you can look at the branches now: chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, mechatronics, and metallurgy. I think many of the branches are covered here. But you will see one thing, that there is a lot of vacancy in mechanical, and in the second number electronics, that is 6 number of vacancies are there, and remaining if you see the very less number of vacancies in computer science. I think some of you are from computer science, Amit Kumar, right? Hai, so you are looking for computer science, only one vacancy is there, still you can apply because application fee is not that much high. At least you should try, okay, at least you should give one chance to yourself. Are you getting? So, good afternoon everyone, a lot of people are joining now, okay. So, good afternoon everyone, good afternoon Pawan, good afternoon. 330 fees, yeah, correct. Final year eligible. See, as they are saying that BE or bachelors with the minimum of 60% in respective discipline, so I think final year will not be required. I think they require the completion. Okay, so your BE should be completed, but still in application you can try. If final year is required, you can fill the form. I think it can be. I think Shiti is saying yes, it is eligible. So okay, then no problem. If 4th year is also eligible, then no problem, you can apply. Okay. So final year is eligible, as Shitish said, because he has already applied. Very good, Shitish. So here you can see that in mechanical there are 17 number of vacancies. Okay, so there is a lot of chance to get selected here. Then 7 for general, and remaining you can see. Okay. Now the next we'll see is chemistry and physics. These are basically based on BSc. So those who are doing the BSc from in chemistry or physics, they can apply in this particular post. The vacancies are only one. Okay, only number of vacancies is only one. Okay, but the post will be same, that is the technical officer. So those who have done BSc and those who have done BTech in this particular zone, they will be counted as the same post. So here the age bracket, you can see the 18 to 35 years. The minimum is 18 years and maximum is 35 years on the last date of the online application. Okay, as usual. You can see the amount they will be paying you is 56,100. Okay, so it is very good amount initially. If you see after BTech or BE, if you are getting this much package in a very renowned organization, then it is very good for you. Okay, TADA, all are the perks of the PSU that we know that will be provided to you. Okay, scheme of examination or method of selection is what? Obviously there will be written test, okay, and personal interview. So written test, they are not giving the actual pattern or the syllabus here till now, but they have told that here there are total 75 objective types question will be there, out of which 3 marks question will be there, and negative marks is 1 mark. 1 mark is negative marking, and 3 mark you will be getting for a correct answer. Okay, this is what they have told. And marks scored in the written test will be used for shortlisting the candidates for personal interview. That is obvious. Whatever the marks you will be getting in written test, on the basis of that you will be selected for personal interview, है ना? And in personal interview the total weightage they will not see, means they will not add the weightage of written test and personal interview and then you will be selected. They will only see at the time, they will only see the personal interview, how was it, and on that basis they will select. I think the final selection list shall be on the basis of the marks secured in the personal interview. So that is important. Yeah, very good. Written exam is like that only. So this is about our BSc and BTech. If you see, the remaining posts are for other things. As you can see, the crane operator, है ना? So let me tell you one important thing, the important date, that is the last date for filling this application is 14th of May. I will tell you, I will show you the website, don't worry. On that website, in the recruitment, if you go on the recruitment, you will see this advertisement on the top. Okay, there you can fill or apply for that particular, whatever the branch you are having. Okay, so I think, yeah, someone is from EC branches also. Okay. Okay, yeah, you can, I think you can apply, still you can see on the, I think application board, if the mark sheet is not there, I think if they're requiring the mark sheet, then it will be problem. Okay, so if it is on hold, you can ask your institute. Okay, so this is also for stenographer and all that. So we are going for the Stipendiary Trainee, है ना? Okay, so this is for work assistant. Yeah, so Stipendiary trainees, a lot of vacancies, number of vacancies are very good here. The only thing is, this is the very good opportunity for diploma students and those who have done ITI also. So number of vacancies 68, you can see the for all the branches, I think chemical, civil, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, chemistry, physics. In mechanical you can see again high number of vacancies there, that is 25, and electronic it is 15 number of vacancies are there. So now eligibility, if your education qualification, you see the diploma, you can see diploma in civil engineering, diploma in electrical engineering, diploma in electronic, diploma in instrumentation and all that, diploma in mechanical engineering. These two last are for BScs. Okay, so again the number of vacancies 3 and 13 here, but they're told that the person should be benchmark disability, so that a particular this post will be belonging to this one. Okay, so again the age bracket, if you see, that is 18 to 24 years. The same procedure, written test and personal interview will be there, and total 3 marks will be there. Same selection. Now Stipendiary trainees have 2 categories. The one category is for diploma students, the other category is for ITI students. Okay, so those who have done 10th and 12th and then ITI from a particular college, then they can apply for these many posts. Again you can see a lot of vacancies are there, 11, 52, 53, total 171 vacancies you can see. So this is for ITI students. Okay, again the age bracket you can see is 18 to 22 years, but it is having a different procedure of selection. First preliminary test will be there, mathematics 20 questions, science 20 questions, general awareness 20 questions. Okay, and after that advanced test. The very important thing that we are going to discuss is कि first you will be trained for 2 years, है ना? After that they will screen you, they will again test you, and then they will decide कि you should be absorbed for the further years or not. Okay, so completion of training, the successful candidate will be absorbed on the basis of the weightage of the marks. So for category 1, the first year and second year you will be getting this stipend 16,000, 18,000. It is very low, but after from third year you will be getting very good salary. For the final year is eligible, Ashish, final year is eligible. Okay, you can fill up the form. Yes, it is eligible. Paras, actually this is, I will tell you the website link. There in recruitment you will see the first advertisement is this only. Okay, so you can download it from there. Otherwise I will show you here only. Okay, So these are the things. On that basis they will decide for category 1 and category 2. These are the weightages. Okay, theoretical training, whatever the theoretical training you got, in plant training, and the final absorption interview. Okay, this will be the weightage. On that basis, if you are achieving minimum 50% or max more than that, then you will be coming under the qualification of this particular third year. Okay, so after this, from third year you will be getting the post of scientific assistant, and you will be paid at this pay level of 7, that is 44,900. It is good, right? From the third year, it is a good increment, if you can say, है ना? And for category 2, you will be called as technician C and technician B, where you will be getting this amount, that is 25,000 and 21,700. Okay, so this is important. And one important thing is there will be bond. Okay, so you have to complete the bond. If you do not complete the bond, then you have to repay your all the stipends, whatever you have got it. So important thing is application fee. It is very low, guys. And for girls, I think it is free. There is no application fee for girls. And for other students, you can see for all the posts, I think it is 300. And for remaining, those who are from diploma and ITI students, they are, for them it is 100 rupees only. Okay, for stipendiary trainee, it is 200 and 100. Okay. So I think we have discussed all these things. Exam will be based on the technical subjects only, sir. Yeah. So exam will be based on technical only. They have not disclosed the syllabus yet, but what you can do is on internet you can search for the previous year written test of IGCAR. Previous year or previously whenever it was held. Okay. So or on YouTube also you can search. So I think you might be getting some idea or the questions. Then you can think of that what kind of question they can be framed, है ना? So that thing you can do, right? So this was all about here. Important thing. And wait listing will be there. If you are selected, it might be possible you are waitlisted. Waiting list will be on the basis if someone is not occupying that particular vacancy. If he is selected, then at that particular vacancy, whoever is in the waiting list, they will be selected as usual. Okay, so I think it is very good opportunity. A lot of number of vacancies are there, and these are the centers where the exams will be happening. So whenever you will be filling the form, you will be getting automatically all these centers. Whichever is preferable to you, you can fill it. Okay, so I hope that this session was helpful for you guys. Okay, and share it with your friends. Whoever is needing the notification, it is nothing like he cannot, he will be my competition or something like that. Okay, he might be belonging to some other branch, right? He also needs a job. Everyone needs a job. So as much as you will share, it will be good for you. Okay. So thank you very much, and I hope that this video was helpful for you. So please like, share, and comment if you are having any doubt. Okay. So bye bye.